Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on stopping the Apple Watch Ultra 2 from mirroring your iPhone's focus mode. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. With this setting enabled, when you turn on a focus mode on your iPhone, it will also turn on your watch, and vice versa. Follow the steps to disable the setting. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down Settings and tap Focus. Now scroll to the bottom of the focus options and tap the toggle to the right of Mirror My iPhone to disable the setting. When disabled, the toggle will go from green to grey. Your watch will no longer mirror your iPhone's focus mode. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.